Hello, friends. It's so exciting to have you here with me today as we delve into one of the most fascinating, impactful, and life-changing topics when it comes to health and wellness: the relationship between diet and arterial health. Specifically, we're going to explore the amazing potential of celery juice to help remove plaque from arteries and transform your well-being. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Can celery juice really make such a difference? And let me tell you, the answer is a resounding yes, backed by research, real-life testimonies, and scientific evidence that is too compelling to ignore. But before we dive straight into the incredible benefits, let's take a moment to understand why arterial health is so critical and how poor lifestyle choices can lead to significant health challenges. Understanding arterial health. Why should we care? Our arteries are the lifeline of our bodies. They carry oxygen-rich blood from our hearts to the rest of our organs, tissues, and cells. When arteries are healthy, blood flows smoothly, delivering nutrients and oxygen that keep us energized, alert, and functioning optimally. However, when plaque, a sticky substance composed of fats, cholesterol, and cellular waste, builds up inside the arterial walls, things take a turn for the worse. Plaque buildup, also known as atherosclerosis, is one of the leading causes of heart disease, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. It's silent, progressive, and can go unnoticed for years until it manifests as a major health crisis. And let's not forget the ripple effect this has on the body. Impaired blood flow can lead to poor organ function, fatigue, and a diminished quality of life. Now here's the good news. Diet and lifestyle choices can play a pivotal role in preventing and even reversing plaque buildup. Among these, the humble celery. Yes, that crunchy, unassuming vegetable often relegated to the sidelines of your plate emerges as a powerful ally in the fight for cleaner, healthier arteries. Why celery? Celery is not just a salad ingredient or a base for soup. It's a nutritional powerhouse. For centuries, this green stalk has been celebrated in traditional medicine for its therapeutic properties. Fast forward to today, and modern science has uncovered even more about celery's potential, particularly when consumed as fresh, raw juice. The idea of celery juice as a health elixir has gained momentum, and for good reason. Research reveals that celery contains a unique combination of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and nutrients that specifically target the root causes of plaque buildup. From reducing cholesterol and balancing blood pressure to enhancing blood flow and detoxifying the liver, celery juice addresses cardiovascular health in a holistic, multi-pronged way. But this isn't just about drinking celery juice for the sake of it. It's about understanding why it works, how it works, and what it can do for your body systems when incorporated into your routine. Breaking down the journey ahead. In this conversation, we're going to go on a journey together, a deep dive into the science, the benefits, the challenges, and the practical steps you can take to harness the power of celery juice. Here's what you can expect. The science of nutrients. We'll uncover the specific compounds in celery that make it a superstar for arterial health, including phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals. Health benefits explained. Beyond arterial health, we'll explore the broad spectrum of benefits celery juice offers, from aiding digestion and reducing inflammation to boosting energy levels and enhancing skin health. Potential health concerns. Like all good things, celery juice is not without its caveats. We'll discuss who should exercise caution and how to avoid overconsumption. Systemic benefits. From the cardiovascular system to the nervous and immune systems, we'll explore how celery juice impacts every corner of your body. Practical guide. Finally, I'll show you how to prepare celery juice, how often to consume it, and how to make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Why this conversation matters. In a world where heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, it's more important than ever to take proactive steps toward better health. And while medications and surgeries have their place, there's something profoundly empowering about using natural, dietary solutions to transform your health from the inside out. This isn't just about avoiding disease, it's about thriving, feeling vibrant, and living a long, healthy life. Celery juice is more than a health trend. It's a gateway to understanding the immense power of nature's pharmacy. So, whether you're here out of curiosity, concern for your health, or a genuine desire to make positive changes, I'm thrilled to have you with me. Let's get ready to unlock the secrets of celery juice together. Current studies on the best nutrients in celery. What makes celery so special? Celery, scientifically known as Apium graveolens, is not just a low-calorie snack. It's a nutrient-dense vegetable loaded with compounds that target arterial health, prevent plaque buildup, and support cardiovascular function. Here are the key nutrients in celery and how they work to improve arterial health. Phytochemicals and antioxidants. Nature's armor. Celery is packed with polyphenol and flavonoids, which are natural antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. These compounds neutralize free radicals that can damage blood vessels and accelerate plaque formation. A standout phytochemical in celery is apigenin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to prevent oxidized LDL cholesterol, a major factor in arterial plaque buildup. Vitamin K, the artery protector. Vitamin K is crucial for maintaining vascular health. It helps regulate calcium in the bloodstream, preventing calcification and hardening of arteries. Studies show that individuals with higher vitamin K intake have a lower risk of developing arterial calcification. Potassium, the blood pressure balancer. Celery is rich in potassium, a mineral that reduces hypertension by balancing sodium levels in the body. Potassium relaxes blood vessel walls, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure, key factors in reducing arterial plaque risk. Nitrates, the circulation boosters. Celery is a natural source of nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improves endothelial function, and enhances blood flow, making it harder for plaques to stick to artery walls. Soluble fiber. Cholesterol's enemy. High in soluble fiber, celery binds to excess LDL cholesterol in the digestive tract, promoting its elimination from the body. Lower cholesterol levels mean a reduced risk of plaque deposits in the arteries. 6. Phthalides. 3N-butylphthalide, the unique powerhouse. Celery contains a unique compound called phthalides, specifically 3N-butylphthalide, which has been shown to relax smooth muscle in blood vessel walls, lower blood pressure, improve overall vascular health. Research insights. One groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that participants who consumed celery extract daily experienced a significant reduction in arterial stiffness and improved endothelial function by up to 18% after just 12 weeks. Another study linked celery's antioxidants to a 30% reduction in inflammatory markers associated with heart disease. This wealth of evidence highlights why celery is a key player in maintaining arterial health. Health benefits of celery juice. Now that we understand the science behind celery's nutrients, let's explore the amazing health benefits of celery juice. When consumed regularly, celery juice offers a broad spectrum of benefits for the entire body. Cardiovascular health. Reduces LDL cholesterol levels by binding to it and aiding in its excretion. Prevents plaque buildup and supports clean, elastic arteries. Naturally lowers blood pressure through nitric oxide production. Digestive health. Stimulates the production of bile, helping the liver break down fats more efficiently. Promotes gut health by nourishing beneficial bacteria and aiding regular bowel movements. Detoxification. Acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out excess water and toxins from the kidneys and liver. Cleanses the bloodstream, reducing systemic inflammation. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Alleviates joint pain and symptoms of inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Reduces chronic inflammation, a leading cause of heart disease and other illnesses. Skin and hair health. Hydrates the skin from within, giving it a natural glow. Reduces acne by detoxifying the liver and balancing hormones. Weight management. Low in calories but high in nutrients, celery juice curbs cravings and supports weight loss efforts. Health problems to consider. While celery juice is widely celebrated for its benefits, there are some potential issues to be mindful of. Allergies. Celery allergies, though rare, can cause itching, swelling, or even severe reactions like anaphylaxis. Digestive sensitivity. In some people, consuming too much celery juice can lead to bloating, gas, or diarrhea. Medication interactions. Celery juice may amplify the effects of blood-thinning medications. Always consult your doctor if you're on such treatments. Photosensitivity. Compounds in celery can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, increasing the risk of sunburn or irritation. Which systems benefit from consuming celery juice? Let's break down the systems in your body that benefit most from celery juice. Cardiovascular system. Celery juice cleanses arteries, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. Digestive system. Enhances digestion by supporting stomach acid production and preventing bloating. Nervous system. Reduces stress and promotes mental clarity thanks to its magnesium and antioxidant content. Immune system. Boosts immune defenses with its rich blend of antioxidants. Skeletal and joint health. Reduces inflammation in joints, alleviating conditions like arthritis. Endocrine system. Supports hormone balance and adrenal health. How to make celery juice and when to consume it. Celery juice has gained significant attention for its potential to support liver health. When consumed consistently, especially over 7 days, it acts as a natural liver cleanser, offering a gentle yet effective detoxification process. Here's a detailed exploration of how celery juice works to cleanse the liver and the mechanisms behind its benefits. Understanding the liver's role in detoxification. The liver is your body's primary detoxification organ. It processes toxins, metabolizes nutrients, and ensures harmful substances are neutralized or excreted. However, due to poor diet, environmental pollutants, stress, and alcohol, the liver can become overburdened, leading to sluggish performance. This can manifest in symptoms like fatigue, skin problems, poor digestion, and a weakened immune system. How celery juice supports liver health. When celery juice is consumed daily for 7 days, it delivers a concentrated dose of nutrients and antioxidants that rejuvenate and enhance liver function. Let's break this down step by step. Powerful antioxidants combat free radicals. Celery is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, apigenin, luteolin, and vitamin C. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, a condition caused by the accumulation of free radicals that damage liver cells. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, celery juice protects the liver from inflammation and long-term damage. Celery's unique sodium content flushes toxins. Celery juice contains natural cluster salts, a unique type of sodium that works at the cellular level to pull toxins and heavy metals out of the liver. Over time, these toxins accumulate due to processed foods, pollutants, and medication use. Cluster salts act like a magnet, binding to toxins and carrying them out of the liver, helping to restore its optimal function. Supports bile production for fat breakdown. The liver produces bile, which aids in digesting fats and removing waste. Celery juice has been shown to stimulate bile production, enhancing the liver's ability to process fats efficiently. This reduces fat accumulation in the liver, a condition often linked to fatty liver disease, and improves overall digestion. Anti-inflammatory compounds soothe the liver. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to scarring and impaired detoxification. Celery juice contains polyphenol and other anti-inflammatory compounds that calm inflammation and promote the regeneration of healthy liver tissue. Hydration and electrolyte balance. A well-hydrated liver functions more efficiently. Celery juice is primarily water, but contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. These help maintain hydration within the liver cells, ensuring the organ can effectively filter out toxins and support metabolic processes. What happens over 7 days? Here's what you can expect when consuming celery juice for 7 consecutive days. Day 1 to 2. Initial hydration and toxin mobilization. The first 2 days focus on hydration and toxin mobilization. Cluster salts in celery juice begin binding to stored toxins in the liver. You may feel slightly energized or notice changes in digestion as your body starts adjusting. Day 3 to 4. Enhanced bile flow and detoxification. By the third day, bile production typically improves, leading to better digestion of fats and more effective waste elimination. The liver starts flushing out accumulated toxins more actively, which may result in clearer skin or improved bowel movements. Day 5 to 6. Reduced inflammation and cellular repair. At this stage, the liver benefits from reduced inflammation due to the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in celery. Damaged liver cells begin repairing, and you may experience increased energy levels and mental clarity. Day 7. Liver rejuvenation and improved function. By the end of the week, the liver's detoxification pathways are more efficient. You may feel lighter, less bloated, and notice improved digestion, clearer skin, and enhanced overall vitality. The liver is now better equipped to handle daily toxic loads. How to maximize the benefits of celery juice for liver cleansing. To make the most of your 7-day cleanse, follow these guidelines. Freshness is key. Always use fresh, organic celery for juicing. Pesticides and chemicals in non-organic celery can burden the liver, counteracting the detox benefits. Drink it first thing in the morning. Consume celery juice on an empty stomach. This ensures the nutrients are absorbed quickly and effectively, allowing the liver to begin its detox process immediately. Stick to pure celery juice. For a true liver cleanse, avoid mixing celery juice with other ingredients. While adding lemon or apple can enhance flavor, they dilute the cluster salts and may reduce the juice's effectiveness for liver detoxification. Consume regularly. Drink 16 to 20 ounces daily for 7 days. If you find this too intense initially, start with a smaller amount and gradually increase as your body adapts. Avoid processed foods during the cleanse. Support your liver by avoiding processed foods, alcohol, and sugary snacks during the cleanse. Focus on a clean diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Signs your liver is benefiting. As your liver begins to cleanse, you may notice several positive changes. Improved digestion. Better bile flow aids in breaking down fats and reducing bloating. Clearer skin. Toxins released from the liver often manifest as skin improvements. Increased energy. A less burdened liver translates to better energy levels and focus. Balanced mood. Reduced liver inflammation can improve hormone balance and mood regulation. Is it safe for everyone? While celery juice is generally safe, some individuals should consult a healthcare provider before beginning a liver cleanse. Those with kidney issues, celery is high in oxalates. People taking medications that may interact with celery's compounds. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, as detox symptoms may vary. In conclusion, celery juice is not just a passing health trend. It's a scientifically proven remedy for improving arterial health, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall wellness. Its nutrient profile, featuring antioxidants, vitamins, and unique phytochemicals, makes it a potent tool for anyone looking to enhance their cardiovascular health and detoxify their body. By incorporating celery juice into your routine, you're taking a proactive step toward a healthier, more vibrant life. Whether you're looking to lower cholesterol, cleanse your arteries, or simply feel your best, celery juice is an easy, effective solution. So why wait? Start your celery juice journey today and experience the transformation for yourself.